Now let's evaluate one whole number 3 over 4 multiplied by 22. Solution. Now, first thing you want to do is to write this mixed fraction as an improper fraction, so that this would have 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 over 4. And then we multiply that into, now we write the whole number, which is 22, as a fraction. So that becomes 22 divided by 1. Now let's simplify further. 4 times 1 gives us 4. And then plus 3 would have 7 over 4 multiplied by 22 over 1. Now we multiply the numerators, and then we have 7 multiplied by 22. And then we have at the denominator 4 multiplied by 1. Now, when you multiply 22 and 7, we would have, so here we have 22 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 2 gives us 14, so we write 4, carry the 1. 7 multiplied by 2 is 14 plus 1, that becomes 15. So we have 154. Now, divided by 4 multiplied by 1 gives us 4. Now, let's simplify our answer and divide 154 by 4. Now, let's take it stepwisely so we don't make an error. First, we try 4 in the number 15. And 4 will go in 15 3 times, giving us a remainder of 3. Because 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 34 left. And 4 in 34, that is 8. Because 4 times 8 gives us 32. So we have a remainder of 2. So we have 2 over 4. Now, when you have a mixed fraction like this, you still have to take note of the fraction part. If you can simplify that further, then make sure you do that before you write your final answer. So in this case, we would have 38 whole number. Now, 2 is also a factor of 4. So when we divide that, so 2 here 1, 2 here 2, giving us a fraction of 1 over 2. So our final answer is 38 whole number 1 over 2. Thank you.